Hello, everyone. I apologize if you're here. That typically means that you're in need of assistance in some form or fashion in terms of copyright infringements and things of that nature. So today, we're going to learn how to remove things from MasterFap.net. To find this page that I'm currently on, once you go to their website, you just press the contact button that's right here. It'll take you to this. This is their email address. So it's just dmcamasterfap@protonmail.com. And really, if you've done this before, if you've seen any other of my videos, it's the same thing. Where you just send them an email. The thing to note here is under. Actually, you know what? Let me start from the beginning. I'm going to make the assumption you've never seen any of my videos. So essentially, what needs to happen is we need to send an email to this email address here, stating that, hey, some of my content, some of my media, whether it be of pornographic nature or otherwise, is on your website and needs to be removed. And to do that, we'll send them an email. I'll give you a script to fill out and say, hey, you just fill in the blanks and do the rest of the stuff, and it's not that bad. You just copy and paste. The key point would be, it looks like here under order of links for faster removal. Please provide us with links to the infringing images in a specific order. This will enable us to prioritize and expedite the removal process accordingly. And then proof of ownership in accordance with standard procedure. We would appreciate if you could furnish us with evidence establishing your ownership of the respective rights. I will put that in the script that I give you. You don't have to provide them any information. You just have to make legal claims. Which is absolutely doable. So essentially what needs to happen is you're going to fill out the script. It's going to be in the description of the video. And then for each individual image, you're going to right click on it, hit copy image link, and then you're going to paste that underneath the signature part of the email. I can't really show you on this website because everything here is going to get this video removed from YouTube. That's why I have this other window here covering up other things that would also get this video removed from YouTube. So I trust that you know how to right click on a picture and then click the copy image link button and then paste that under the signature. If not, I have other YouTube tutorials. I believe the last tutorial I did was for Google, and I visually show you what I mean by doing that because I just searched up like steak or something on Google so I could show those images in a video. I will say, I know some people have a lot of images. I believe I was just helping somebody with over like 3,000 images on this website. There is a non-zero chance that we haven't tried it yet. I'm still in the process of figuring it out, but there's a non-zero chance if you just have an excessively large amount of images, you might be able to just put the URL, the site that, or the web link that's up here, of like your page. So whenever you come up here and you like search for stuff and then it's like your page that pops up and it has all your lead content on it, you might be able to take that URL and put it in there and be like, hey, can you like delete all of the images that are associated with this because these were all taken illegally? That's a possibility. I don't think it would work. I think you might have to do every individual 2,000 images, or 3,000 or 5,000. Hopefully it's only like 5 because that would not suck. But in the event that there is several thousand images, that's one of those things where you quite literally just have to take some time out of the day every day, copy all the links off of like one page, take a break, next day do the next page because they have it broken up into pages. I think there's about 50 or 60 images per page, I would guess. I don't know. I didn't actually count, but um, you would copy it into a page, save it in like a Word document or something like that, and then once you have everything, just copy and paste all the links into an email. Um, but if you'll need assistance with that further, let me know. Um, Otherwise, that's it. You just shoot an email. That most of my videos are just, hey, here's the email address and here's how to do it. So, but if you want to support me, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to follow me on my socials. Share this with friends if you know someone who's suffering from this kind of stuff, and also just check this website. Honestly, like, you probably don't even know if you have stuff on this website until you actually start searching your professional names. That's something important to do. So, um, like I said, as always, if y'all need assistance, feel free to reach out and let me know. My socials will be linked below. If you are under the age of 18, please, for the love of God, just follow me on my Safe for Work socials, being my Instagram and my Facebook, and reach out to me there. Otherwise, feel free to reach out to me on any of my socials. And then I believe that is it. So if y'all have any questions, comments, and concerns, feel free to post them below or reach out to me directly. Hope y'all have a nice one.